Hey everyone, we are back after a long time. This is Apur Singh.
And I am Hardik Nayak. Together, we are the PEM Brothers.
PEM stands for Power Electronics, Electrical Machine and MATLAB. And our goal is simple, to make learning easy and practical.
We first teach you the theory
And then show you how it works in simulation.
we transform the theory into lab experiment and bring live experience to you.
We are coming back with more exciting videos on inverters, rectifiers, motors and much more.
So, if you're an engineering student or just love power electronics and machines, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. So,
See you in the next video. PEM Brothers are back.